If you could find a place at the tables up front, you might be able to hear the beginning part better before we move into our circles. I'm Darlene O'Brien, and I'm one of the judges at the Washtenaw County Probate Trial Court. And I'm very pleased to greet all of you this morning and welcome you to this training. We're very fortunate that you came today, hopefully with open hearts and inquiring minds, so we can all learn more about our peacemaking process. We're also grateful for all the work that's been done to put together this training. And I want to thank Linda Edwards-Brown. I'm not sure where she is. I saw her just a minute. There you are. Okay. And Susan Butterwick and Debbie Shaw, who is somewhere here. And, of course, Debbie is outside, and Belinda Doolin. So a lot of work goes into this, and we appreciate their work and all the facilitators and trainers. You know, our courts have a history of compartmentalizing cases and focusing on case flow processing and time management guidelines and things like that. And we keep seeing the same people come back again and again, whether it's in the criminal cases, if it's in domestic relations cases, or in juvenile cases. And those who have been with the juvenile court see generations coming again and again, sometimes the second and third generation. So it's clear that we need to do something different. And we need to focus on the individual and the family and the particular problems and issues that they bring with them. And we need a more holistic approach. And we are so very fortunate that we have Judge Tim Connors to bring the peacemaking model to Washtenaw County. Judge Connors has been a judge for about a quarter of a century. First in district court and circuit court, and then he handled probate cases, and now the juvenile court docket. And his vision is inspirational, and it has deep roots in our American history and in our Native American traditions. I'm a big believer in this alternative dispute resolution process because I've seen it work. Since the court started, the peacemaking court, in October of 2013 with a grant from the State Court Administrative Office, I've been referring cases, and I see how lives are transformed. Not just the litigants, but families and the workers who take them through the process. It's just a beautiful thing to see. One case that I want to mention as an example, I had as a divorce case for the last 8 years. Yes, they got divorced timely, but that was just the beginning. Then there's motion after motion, evidentiary hearing after evidentiary hearing. And finally, in September of last year, they agreed to try the peacemaking court. I went on our Odyssey court system to look at the docket entries, 26 pages, going to the Court of Appeals and back and forth, and the last entry, peacemaking court. And that's where the court process appears to have finally worked. I am so thrilled to be on this journey, and I'm delighted that all of you are here today to be on the journey with us. So I'm going to turn this over now to Susan Butterwick.